views of the people. Don't be evil. Alright? Today we're there with
Andrew.
Mr. Andrew. What do you think about the tropical storm, Mellisa? You prepare or what?
Well, yeah, in a sense, yes, I have the things necessary for button up, but I don't really start as yet, but I just wait for further details to do the process.
So you feel like it'll come?
Well, not sure, Not really sure, but just listening still.
You're not afraid of nothing?
Not really, because we see it on a regular basis, so necessary preparation. Only two we not put it in our work as yet, but yeah.
Anybody you like to big up?
Yeah, man, when I like to big up my mother, Ina Plunkett, and also my wife, Janet Plunkett, and family, and friends.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Yeah, man.
Today there's a storm I come, you don't know where they are. At the ocean front, at the sea front. I look what I go on, you see me? Yeah man, there's a tropical storm, Mellisa. We're not afraid of Mellisa, we out here wait for Mellisa. Mellisa, see we are. We there wait for you, Mellisa. Sun still a shine, we there out early. Yes people, make sure you check in views of the people. Views of the people, don't be evil. Alright?